Hello everyone, I am Mr. Low from Excel Software. Today, I want to share with you the AutoCount Contra Account feature. I believe many of you have encountered situations where the customer and supplier are the same person, meaning they buy things from you and you also buy things from them or engage them for some services.
So in this situation, since everyone owes each other, the simple way is to directly contract it, which means offset it. You don't need to say you owe him $500, you pay him $500, he owes you $300, he pays you $300. So you contract it and the remaining balance, you just each settle that balance and it's done. So how do we handle this situation? Here I have created a sample. This sample is, there is a debtor. The debtor is the same person, ABCSDN, BHD. And the creditor is also the same person, ABCSDN, BHD. We made a sample. Before making this sample, you must first confirm whether you have set up the contract account. You must set up a contract account. In the GL account maintenance, check if it's usually a current liability and see if it's set as a current liability. You can set one called contract account or temporary account for contract. After setting it, go to Tools option to check this GL account and see if the contract account is set. AR and AP contract temporary account 490. Check if it is set up. If it is set up, then when you do the contract, it will automatically post here and the amount that needs to be offset will be directly posted here. So here we made a sample AR invoice entry. So the invoice is 3,000. So we made an AP invoice. The same person owes one. So here we can contract. We usually find the smallest amount to contract. So go to AR and AP contract entry to this function here. AR and AP contract entry, new, then here select the customer and supplier. After selecting, you look at which one is the smallest total. Add up all the bills, see which side is the smallest. So these extra columns can be removed, get rid of them. So in this contract, the smallest is 1,100. You just enter 1,100. If you have another reference number, maybe the other party gave you a contract note, you just enter the other party's reference number's contract note here. If not, you just directly enter the contract amount. After entering the contract amount, you proceed to offset, choose which invoice you want to offset, and then it must balance. You will see that the unapplied amount on both sides must be 0. If one side still has an unapplied amount, you can still offset. So until it reaches 0, both sides' unapplied amounts should reach 0. Here you can print, preview, save, and preview. You can print this contract note. This contract note can be sent via WhatsApp or email to the other party. So first contract, so after the contract, there is still an amount outstanding 1,900. For this outstanding amount, you can either pay the other party or the other party pays.
So the entire function of the contract is just that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. I am Mr. Low from Excel Software 0149672631. Thank you everyone.